Plans layout. Safety color. Yellow, non-production zone. Green, low risk zone. Orange, medium risk zone. Red, high risk zone. This is two-dimensional plan layout. This is three-dimensional plan layout. This is side view and top view of the layout.
A conveyor belt is used during raw materials receiving. A conveyor belt is used to move materials from one site to another site upon receiving. The silos are used to store raw materials such as flour and sugar that used in baking.
Next, the weighing scale is used to measure the weight of raw materials that needed to be used in dough making. A dough mixer is used during mixing process to homogenizes and hydrates the ingredients in dough, resulting in a well-developed gluten network. A dough trough is used for holding the dough trough during fermentation period.
Dividing machine is the machine that being used during dividing process. Dough are divided into small pieces. Rounding machine is being used during the rounding process. Outer surfaces of dough become smooth. During proofing process, the dough are allowed to rest and regain the proper condition of dough before proceed to baking process. Molding machine responsible to change the dough shape into cylinder.
Next, baking. After the panning is cooling, then move to slicer and finally ready to be packaged. Last process, distributing. Summary of material used. Summary of cleaning and sanitizing.
Hygienic design of food processing plant and infrastructure. Layout and design floor, wall and piping. Jelly Delights refers to a plan layout that designed to obtain a physical arrangement of different entities of facility that most economically meets the required output in terms of both quantity and quality. Choosing a type of flour to an industry is very important. Jelly Delights chooses Europeans, a tough industrial flour which is cost-effective because of long-lasting, quick, and practical to install and meets all the needs of modern processing industry. And drainage system also play an important role to a company. Then Jelly Delights very concerned in choosing the interior wall and also the exterior wall. The type of pipe materials, joining methods, support design, routine, and insulation method support the piping system of an industry. the HVAC system, which maintain the temperature and humidity of a facility. The air compressor. It is a key utility supporting the food packaging and food processing industries. The selection of oil-less air compressor. It minimizes microbial content and supports high-temperature compression methods that can further reduce contamination risk. Ways to prevent contamination. Hygienically design lighting. Table shows level of luminance accepted by several areas in bread-making industry, whereas the pictures show that proper lighting is essential in working areas and it should be covered. Last but not least, water, specifically potable water.